My electric mower is so quiet, my neighbors think I'm just aggressively walking back and forth in my yard.
If you own a house, there's one chore that never seems to end, and that's mowing the lawn. And if you live somewhere like Florida, where we have St. Augustine grass, you know how fast that grows. It feels like you mow it, and 3 days later, it's ready to be cut again. And normally that means dragging out a mower, sweating in the heat, and spending part of your weekend cutting grass. But imagine if your lawn could just maintain itself. And today, we're testing something that claims to do exactly that. We have the MOVA LIDAX Ultra Series lawnmower, and it uses 360-degree 3D LiDAR to scan and AI vision to map your yard and mow it automatically. So today, we're going to put it through a real test in a Florida backyard with this St. Augustine grass. This is tough on robotic mowers. We'll test some obstacles with it. It's on a slope and it's right up against a rocky garden. And we're going to find out if this thing can actually replace you mowing your yard. Now, one of the reasons robotic mowers are becoming so popular is simply because of the time savings. And most homeowners spend 1 to 2 hours a week mowing their yard. Can you believe that? And over the course of the year, that easily adds up to 50 to 100 hours a year just to maintain your yard. So the idea behind a robotic mower is simple. Instead of spending your weekends mowing the yard, the robotic mower does it automatically. And that means more time for other things, like spending time with your family, working on projects, or just relaxing. And there's also long-term return on your investment. Between fuel, maintenance, and eventually replacing your old lawn equipment, lawn care can get expensive. A robotic mower like the MOVA LIDAX Ultra Series automates that process and keeps the lawn maintained consistently without requiring you to be out there every week. So this is the MOVA LIDAX Ultra Series mower. And what makes this mower different from all the other ones is the technology it uses to navigate. Right on top, you can see the 360-degree LiDAR sensor. That sensor constantly scans everything around the mower and creates a 3D map of your yard. And this allows the mower to understand things like trees, landscaping, patios, furniture, and garden beds. It basically creates a digital map of your property. And on top of that, the mower also uses AI vision, which helps it recognize and avoid obstacles. And according to MOVA, this can detect over 300 types of obstacles. And that includes things like toys, furniture, tools, and even pets. And that's big because one of the biggest concerns people have with robotic lawnmowers is safety. Now, the MOVA LIDAX also includes several features which are designed for very complicated yards. It can handle slopes up to 45%, which is very important if your yard is not perfectly flat, which mine is not. It is sloped. It can even climb over obstacles up to 4 centimeters high, such as roots or uneven ground. And thanks to its navigation system, it can move through narrow paths between landscaping areas. Now, another interesting feature is its precise positioning system, which keeps the mower accurate up to 5 centimeters. That level of accuracy allows it to mow close to edges to maintain consistency. Instead of just talking about these features, we're going to test them right here in my backyard. This yard actually provides a very good test environment for a robotic mower. We've got thick St. Augustine grass, which is known for growing dense and fast. There will also be several obstacles placed in the yard. We've got landscaping areas all the way around the grass. We've got trees. We've got garden borders. We even have a big drop-off right there, and that tends to be a challenge. And we're going to let the MOVA LIDAX map the yard and then start mowing. And that should give us a good idea about how the navigation system works in a real-world environment like this one. And as the mower begins moving around the yard, the LiDAR system is scanning the environment. Every time the sensor rotates, it measures distances to objects and builds a 3D model of the yard. Now, this map allows the mower to understand where it can drive and where it should avoid. And the advantage of this system is that it doesn't rely on boundary wires, which older robotic mowers did. Instead, the mower navigates based on the digital map that it creates. That makes installation much easier and gives the mower some more flexibility when navigating complex areas. Now the mower is beginning its mowing pattern. The one thing you'll notice is that it moves in a controlled and structured pattern instead of randomly driving around the yard. This helps ensure that the mower covers the entire lawn efficiently. Another advantage of robotic mowers is how they maintain the lawn. Instead of cutting large amounts of grass once per week, the robotic mower can trim small amounts more frequently. And this helps keep the lawn looking more consistent over time. And it also reduces the amount of visible clippings. Now we're going to test the AI obstacle avoidance detection system. I'm going to place a few objects here on the lawn. I've got a raft, I've got a ball. The MOVA LIDAX Ultra Series should detect these obstacles and navigate around them. Now you can see the mower approaching the object. It slows down, and then it adjusts its path to drive around the objects. This is where AI vision system combined with the LiDAR mapping really helps the mower understand its environment. And you can see as it mows up and down the yard, this is a slope. It's heading slope down towards the pond there. The MOVA LIDAX Ultra handles it with ease. It can handle up to 45%, which is steeper than many robotic mowers. And it can also climb over obstacles up to 4 centimeters high. This will be important for yards that have small bumps, roots, or just uneven ground. Now you can also see as the mower is climbing slopes, it will adjust its traction as it climbs those sections of the yard. Another impressive feature is the precision positioning system. The mower maintains accuracy within 5 centimeters, which allows it to navigate tight spaces and maintain clear mowing lines. And this will help ensure the lawn is cut evenly across the entire yard. After testing the MOVA LIDAX Ultra Series, the technology behind it is very impressive. The LiDAR navigation, the AI obstacle detection, and terrain capability all help it handle real-world yard conditions. But the biggest benefit really comes down to convenience. Instead of spending every weekend mowing your yard, the MOVA LIDAX Ultra handles that for you. And that means less work, more time, and a lawn that stays consistently maintained. And for homeowners looking to automate yard care and simplify your routine, a robotic mower like that can be a huge upgrade. And if you want to check out the MOVA LIDAX Ultra, I'm going to put a link down in the description. And if you want to see more real-world tests like this, like and subscribe and click the bell icon. And thank you for 275,000 subscribers. Check out Second Car Street Racing, our other channel, and I'll see you on the next one. I got to go to breakfast.